Hi everyone, please subscribe this Wikitech channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notifications.
Hey everyone, this is Jason from Megitech. Hey guys, I hope you all are good and doing great. So guys, the thing is, we all know that www dot, which is nothing but World Wide Web. So today the topic is, I just want to give you the little idea about this internet. So guys, usually consider the internet was 100%. So in that 100%, maximum the world should be used the only 5%. That is, the internet was divided into three categories. So what is said, the 5% is called it as the surf web, which means it's the legal websites, legal activities, every user can able to access those websites. That is nothing but a kind of surf web. So guys, the thing is, suppose I was doing online shopping in Amazon, or even I doing chatting with my friends in the social media like Facebook, Instagram, or anything. I was watching the movies, Netflix, Amazon Prime, or even the YouTube, or even I can doing the bank transactions from my account to another account. Any kind of activity, I was going to use my Gmail account. So these all activities was legal, and also these activities was do in the surf web. So the rest of the remaining, I told you, consider the internet was 100%, so 5% was the surf web, and the next area, which is nothing but 95%, is called it as the deep web. Again, the deep web was also divided into the dark web. So I will talk about the dark web after a few minutes, but let's talk about the deep web. But anyhow, before talking the deep web, how you understand surf web means, what is mean by surf web? It is nothing that all the sites we can access, it's a public site, and also legal activities was doing in the surf web. As I told, shopping, chatting, or conversation, sending any important files to anyone, everything was legally do in the surf web. The surf web was occupied just 5% in that 100% of internet. So the deep web is nice, nothing but, suppose I have an Amazon account. So if I want to access my Amazon account, I need to enter my ID and password. So the ID and password was stored in the Amazon related servers. So like that, for example, I am a Mac user, the iPhone user. So usually I get the iCloud. So to open my iCloud, what is mean by iCloud means, we know that iCloud is nothing like a locker. Means we can put there our important photos, videos, or document paper, scanning document, anything we can put on that locker is nothing but we call it like a iCloud. So if we want to open the iCloud, I must and should need to enter the user ID and the password. Then only I can able to access my iCloud account. So I am the only person who can able to access my iCloud account. None of the user in this world can't able to access that account. So like that guys, suppose you are a Android phone user, so like that you have a Google Drive. If you want to access your Google Drive, you need to enter the ID and password. Means you are the only person to enter those details, and you can able to log in into your account. So no other person in this world can able to log in into your driver. So guys, the thing is, these passwords and the files and our stuff, related stuffs, anything of photos, videos, and important documentation, scanned papers, all was going to saved in the servers. Is nothing but this stuff was stored in the deep web. But anyhow, all these credentials, passwords, or anything that stuff, what we calling as servers, is nothing but a kind of a deep web. So guys, hope you understand what is mean by deep web. So another thing is that deep web is also divided into another part. Three segments was there. First is the surf web, deep web, and dark web. So dark web is nothing a kind of illegal activity. So everything was illegal. So it is highly impossible to catch the persons who doing cheating, who doing fraud, who doing illegal business by using the dark web. Then it is highly impossible to catch them. Of course we can catch them. Even if we catch them also, the person again needs to open the new website and do the illegal activities they like. For example, in surf web, I told you that we can do shopping. Sitting our home, we can simply do a online shopping by ordering the telephone, by shopping telephone, books, clothing, everything. It is the legal work, so we can use the surf web, and everything was public and legal, no issue. But whereas in deep web, we can buy the bombs and also drugs and also some medicines which was restricted by the governments, we can use them. And also everything illegal activities. Suppose I am the terrorist, so I need a weapon, so I can easily contact the people in the dark web, and I can able to purchase those illegal activities, guns, bombs, drugs, medicines, and all the activities I can do that. And also, for example, I want to give you a little bit of example. What is the difference between the surf web and the dark web? The thing is, guys, I'm the person, for example, I'm the very bad person, like I'm the human psycho. So I can use a mask to my face, and I was doing harass to a person, and I was shoot that video, and I posted that video in my Facebook account. I mean, the Facebook account is also fake Facebook account I have posted. So after the video get viral, usually the policies and everything, media, every user can see that video. So the policies can easily identify my user ID, and the police can come towards me and arrest me, because the IP address should be public, and also the IP address should be trapped in the surf web. But whereas the same situation, I'm the person who was like a human psycho. I was harassing someone by covering all my body. Again, I was make a video, film that video by harassing the people, and I was post that same video file in the dark web. Even the video get viral also, even the police also can't able to catch me because of the dark web. So as I told you, in a dark web, it is highly one word, not possible to catch the person, because I can change my position from one position to another position. For example, if I was browsing anything in the Google, like what is the name of the apple, something like that, what is the other names of the apple fruit, so the Google will trace my location. The person belongs to India, he belongs to Andhra Pradesh, he belongs to city Eluru, like that the Google can easily identify my location. But whereas, guys, to use the dark web, there was a browsers. So usually we know the browsers like Google Chrome, Opera, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox. There was some more browsers was available which we all use in the surf web. But whereas I told you about the dark web, in the dark web there was a browser called Tor browser. So in a Tor browser, there was a function which means, we hope you all remember and hope you all know VPN, virtual private network, which means I am sitting in my location, then in internet I can change my position to Google, like I was in the summer position. For example, if I put the location like USA, United States, then even though if I sitting in my home, if I sitting in India, I was doing all the activities also, the system did not find my location, because I already given the comment to the system I was in the USA. So usually the police goes to USA and search there. So there was no person, because I was already in India. So I mean, we can sit one position, but we can change the position to anywhere. I can put the Pakistan, Russia, Japan, anything, with the help of that VPN, virtual private network. So guys, the thing is, this Tor web was related to the VPN. So in this VPN, we can change the position simultaneously. So like that, while I film that film, I told you I do harassment some person, so I filmed that film clip. So I was in India right now, you all know that. So while I was uploading that clip, I select the option I was in the China. So when I select the option China, usually the upload file also going to show in the China only. But I was going to upload the file. When the police search the file where it was uploaded, means the system shows the policies to the China. So usually it is impossible to trap. So like that, guys, I can change my position. Hope you remember novels it was happening, but some long back ago I have seen especially the terrorists catch the polices, and they cut the heads of the police, and they shoot every video and they post in the social media with the help of this dark web only. So that's the reason it is not possible to catch them with the help of the IP address. I mean, everything was fake details in the dark web, and also using the dark web is also illegal. I want to give you one more little information. Usually, guys, we know that www.amazon.com. If we type the .com means, usually it shows us the online shopping site belongs to Amazon, which was in the United States. So like that, if I type www.amazon.in, .in means it is the also online shopping site Amazon, but .in it is represented to the Indian side. So like that .gov, government sites .org, organizations .edu is education sites. So like that, guys, these are the legal domains, and we can use happily in the surf web. But whereas in the dark web, www.onion, so that domain ends with onion, and also there was a lot of prefix was there. But anyhow, don't search in the Google, because using the dark web is also punish you, guys. So please be aware. I just want to making this video just to give you an idea how many types of internet. I just want to give you an idea, but do not download the Tor browser and do not try to search anything about the dark web, because it is completely illegal. So just for education purpose only I was giving you. For example, guys, in Google, if we go and type anything, I want BMW car, so the images was shown related to the cars only. But whereas if you go to the dark web, if you type anything, I want iPhone images, then the images may come to iPhone, and some images may come to different, like a human harassment photos also come. And also if you download a picture also, instead of downloading that particular picture, a video will download you where that video represents harassment to a person. So I mean, that was not related to anything. And also keep in mind, it is very easy to hack somebody's system with the help of this dark web. So that's the reason most of the hackers use the dark web. Suppose Facebook passwords was leaked, and this Google data was hacked out. We hear those things, those stuff now in the world. So it was happening with the help of this dark web only. So using the dark web is not good, and also very risk, and also it will put all our data risk to the public. Unfortunately, if any hacker can hack that data in your computer, for example, you are the government officer and you are in the good position, you have all the credential details, and you have all the files in your system according to Indian securities. Then suppose if your system was hacked by a hacker, then the hacker will go to the dark web, and the hacker will sell that valuable information to other countries. So usually you get a very big issue to the country. So like that, guys, all the illegal activities was doing in the dark web. But anyhow, what I was trying to tell you here is, we have three types of internet, web. The first one is the surf web. So surf web is just 5% only. Everyone can use. It's like a public domain. Everyone do online shopping, online shop, everything. We can send the Gmail accounts. We can do online exam attend. We can do everything. But the second thing is the deep web. In deep web, our passwords, our saved photos, files, everything was stored in the deep web. So deep web was accessed only by that individual user only. It's not possible to everyone. But whereas the third one is nothing but the dark web. So dark web is just a kind of illegal activities, buying something, bombs, guns, or any illegal activities we can do, doing the harassment of the people, and we can use those clips and put on the internet. And also we can we can sell the drugs also. So these all stuff was doing in the dark web. So my dear friends, just for education purpose only I was creating this video. Please do not visit, do not try to install anything related to the dark web, or do not install the Tor browser also. It is not for us. It is for something people who are against to the country. That's it in this video, guys. I hope I have provided something information which is useful without boring you. Thank you so much, guys, for spending your valuable time with me. If you don't mind, please subscribe the channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notification. Thanks a lot for your love, support and commitment. I'll see you very soon in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.